See, this 2023 election, the one they see, I mean, if I say see finish the other day, if I say some candidates, they don't see us finish for the Warri normally, because as much as I know, campaigns are supposed to be issue based. Campaigns are supposed, you come tell us your policies, what it is now, and how you intend to make it better. And they do this thing because of Tinubu. What help me one anyway he did. He came to Warri Stadium to campaign. This is as they talk as they pay me. Just because Tinubu knew very well that Warri people love Banga superstarch. Because he knew that we love Banga superstarch. And he knows say normally skure, they love eating Banga, the fruit. He knows that birds love eating Banga. He knows that even bats love eating Banga. He now made up his mind that his campaign speech to us, Wafarians, that his campaign speech is going to be about the animal kingdom. Tinubu take Ibairu, he can write animal kingdom story. Instead of telling us how he intends to better the economy of Nigeria, how he intends to improve on the security of Nigeria, how he intends to make education and health system work, Tinubu go write animal kingdom story and I can read for us for campaign. For instance, Warri Stadium, not far. I'll play the video. But I want to beg all the aspirants and their supporters, if you're supporting somebody and you know that what that person carry does not guarantee a better future for Nigerians, you don't get sense. You know, but you see, you clap for the person, you don't get sense. You watch the video, like this video, share them, then subscribe to my page. Tell Nigerians at Tinubu, see us finish for Warri, read animal kingdom story for we. Watch the video.
The story is the story of animal kingdom. All animals, they say their wife are bad. The tortoise say in own bad pass. The lion say yes, no, he be lion. But when they come to the lizard, he said, you are just talking rubbish. They say, what's wrong? He said, and wife no get shame.